So if you're watching this video, you probably have an FD RX7, and by having an RX7, you probably believe in Moore's law. So whatever can go wrong will go wrong at the worst possible time, right? So you've ever been stuck and your RX7 just doesn't want to start? I'm not talking like it's cranky. I'm saying nothing, not a click, not nothing when you turn that key over. Well, I've got the possible solution for you, and it's usually this relay right here, the H302 relay. This is the starter cut relay. It's going to be located in the driver's side footwell, whether it's left-hand drive or right-hand drive, and essentially it cuts signal to your starter so your car won't actually be able to kick over. Now, this is part of the security system factory. It's not an intricate solution here. It's not going to break anything if you bypass it like I did, but if you're in a tough situation, you're out and about, you don't have the replacement relay, what you can do to fix this solution is quite simple. You're going to take the clip that's there and you put the clip to the right side. You're going to jump from the bottom left to the middle right. Bottom left to middle right, that'll bypass it and you should be able to start your car. Hopefully this helps. Quick little tip. We all know what it's like to be left stranded by an RX7. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure to drop me a like, comment down below what the situation was where you had this issue, and always remember to subscribe. And on that note, hopefully I see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.